In this video, I am going to show you how to post that you are watching a movie on Facebook. So it should work on your phone as well as iOS device. So for learning the process of how to post that you are watching a movie on Facebook, please watch the video till the end and let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your Facebook profile, then you have to click on what's on your mind. Then this option will come. From here you have to click on filling and activity option. After clicking this page you will come. From here you have to click on activities. Then you will see that watching option is coming here. You have to click on the watching button. Then from here, what are you watching? In this option you can search by the movie name you are watching now. So example, I'm watching the Titanic movie, so I'm searching in this way. Then Titanic page will come here. Then you have to just select the Titanic option. Then in this way it will add your what's on your mind. From here you can give your status, and then if you post it, then it will show on your profile. So this is the way you can post like this. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.